boss, this is Yestek, your welding partner. After our last video, so many of customers interested in this machine, and today let us unboxing it together. Inside, you will find the main machine and 4 professional accessories. 3-meter electric cable with holder, 3-meter grounding cable with clamp, and 1.5-meter power cable, welding brush, and a detailed manual. And everything you need to start welding right away. Look at this machine: durable housing, efficient cooling, process current control, and a lightweight, comfortable holder. At Yestek, we believe the details make a difference. Now for the best part, the prices. The more you order, the more you save. All of our machines have a 1-year warranty. Also, we supply these welding accessories. Interested? Contact me now. We offer customization and global shipping. Yestek, your reliable welding partner. See you next video. Bye bye.